Do you dream of becoming rich? Everyone has a slightly different concept of being wealthy. Some people daydream about going on a world tour. In contrast, others finally plan to save for that luxurious thing they dream of buying. Or perhaps you'd like to retire in style, send your kids to college without breaking the bank, or take extended trips to see far-flung relatives. The vast majority want to gain wealth, despite this goal being difficult to achieve. The good news is that you don't need to make a big salary or have a lot of money in the bank to start building wealth. And we're going to talk about 9 smart ways to achieve wealth today. Welcome to Lux Live. And when it comes to luxury and lifestyle, we've got you covered. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's begin. Number 1, if you want to make a difference, embrace your inner innovator and work. Your ideas will have more of an impact if you keep in mind the things people want and need and how they may improve society. Who knows? You may just launch the first version of a product that becomes immensely popular in the coming years. When you start helping more people, word of mouth becomes more effective and you receive more insightful criticism that can be used to refine your approach. After all, without the backing of customers, a business will fail. Number 2, save $100,000 and then invest the remaining money. Everyone has the goal of becoming wealthy quickly. However, this is not the kind of goal that can be quickly and easily accomplished in a short amount of time. Instead of focusing on how to become wealthy quickly, you should make it your first goal to save $100,000. The cumulative effect of the everyday little amounts you save might be significant. It's possible that you can just set aside $5 or $10 at a time, but each of these investments will serve as the foundation of your financial future. Number 3, take a job with a startup company and obtain some shares. Stocks in one or more startups could be a profitable venture if the companies succeed and become public or are acquired by a larger company. The chances of making significant profits early on are low because only a small percentage of businesses ever get off the ground. However, you can use your discretion to determine which company concept and management team have the best shot of success. Number 4, utilize and invest in your skill as a self-employed expert. If there is something that you are skilled at, there is a fair chance that you can gain significant benefits from it. Make it your mission to develop and master one skill and become the best at it in the world. Work on it, practice it constantly, study it, and analyze and improve that skill as you go. Put in the effort and the time to improve your skill by studying examples of those who have been successful in that category or skill in the past. Do you have any tips or advice when it comes to gaining wealth that we haven't mentioned here yet? Share it with us and let us know in the comments below. Number 5, there is value in property. Investing in real estate and selling it for a profit has long been a common strategy. Loans may play a significant role in this strategy. Let's pretend you need $250,000 to purchase a home and you can only borrow $200,000. The land is then developed and sold for $400,000. The property's worth has increased by 60%, but your initial investment of $50,000 multiplied by 4 turns into a tidy sum of $200,000. Choosing assets in desirable locations is important and planning for their future growth. Number 6, establish a stock and share investment portfolio. You can gain a lot of money if you maintain consistent stock investments over time. Pick your investments carefully and continue to reinvest the profits. Of course, the price of stocks can go up or down at any time. Many novice investors become disheartened when their portfolios suffer losses. However, when viewed as an investment for the long run, stocks are just as beneficial as property, but offer significantly more liquidity. Those who can keep their cool and have access to cash during market turmoil can capitalize on excellent buying opportunities. Number 7, you could launch your own company and sell it. More and more startups have done well and made a lot of money. If you can find a new way to approach a certain part of the market and establish a company to meet that need, you have a chance of being successful. It can be anything, like a blog, cleaning service, or a food delivery service. Building up the business will likely take many years of hard work. Every entrepreneur will have to deal with a lot of stress and risk, but if you can pull it off, you can get a lot out of it. Number 8. Find work in the field that best suits your interests. Pick a career that excites you. Those who try to achieve their goals by engaging in activities they despise always fail. There's a chance you'll have to begin at the bottom and work your way up. If you're passionate about your work, however, you'll probably have an easier time getting there. Reaching the pinnacle will be a rewarding experience in itself. If you feel like you've learned all you can at one company, switching to another could be a good idea to expose you to new perspectives and ways of doing business. Number 9. Get your spending under control. Maintain regular records of your expenditures. You may keep track of your finances with the help of an app or a simple Excel spreadsheet. Here, you'll have a convenient platform where you can examine whether or not your current spending habits make good sense. Make sure to turn off the lights when you leave a room. Plan meals to save money at the grocery store and be consistent about eating in. Stick to a minimalist lifestyle and you'll quickly amass sizable savings. In addition to following these tips, cultivating a positive mentality about wealth is essential. Despite the hardships you might face, you must believe that riches are available and that you deserve wealth. None of the other techniques will work if you don't have that inner motivation. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, click subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. Also, feel free to leave us a comment. If you want to watch more videos, head on over to our channel to see more from Lux Live. See you!